Hi, I'm Adrian from One Agency and we're already into February 2020. Now today I'd like to take a look at the first home buyer market. First home buyers' dreams of ownership have not been crushed yet despite rising prices. More than half of 1,000 people that were interviewed who were first home buyers intend on purchasing in the next 12 months according to ME's latest report. That's an increase from 38% in the second quarter of 2019 when the report began. Rising prices have definitely created a fear of missing out as people scramble to get onto the property ladder. As property prices were falling, there was definitely a lot of complacency that set in the market. Now it's the opposite, where there is a genuine fear of missing out. People are now looking to secure their future as they become more aware of the wealth effect of owning a property. They see it not only as a place to live, but an investment that will appreciate in value. In particular, we're finding that first home buyer market has become very competitive with a low number of listings, low interest rates, and a strong uptake of the government's first home deposit scheme. The competition and number of first home buyers within the marketplace is growing exponentially. The supply levels simply aren't. While many first home buyer hopefuls want to enter the market this year, it could prove to be a little bit difficult as they rush to get into a rising market. Unless you've had your head in the clouds, the headlines on the property market are all about increasing property prices. According to the ANZ, Melbourne is forecast to lead the charge in Australia with property growth in 2020 of 12%. In October, the ANZ was expecting prices to rise by just 9%. The pent-up demand and low volumes have combined to drive the market's unexpected rapid recovery. So much so that the ANZ had to raise their forecast a little bit because the speed of growth to date has been stronger than what's been expected. Now looking locally at Sunbury, we found that only 9 homes were listed in the last 7 days and only one of those had a price tag of above $600,000. 2 homes were declared unconditionally sold in the last week. That's actually a very low number for this time of year. Now with everyone back and setting into the full swing of things, I anticipate that people will be contemplating their next move in the market. If you're one of those, please give me a call as I'd love to help you with a strategy to either buy or sell in the current market conditions, which are changing very rapidly. Advice can be really helpful here. I'm Adrian from One Agency, and remember, when you decide to sell with us in February, you'll be helping support victims of the bushfires with us donating $500 from the sale of every property in the month of February. Take care and we hope you have a great weekend and a great week.